So this is a recording on how to use the Python script MBZ script. First thing we have to do is we have to make a folder on our desktop named Moodle. So I've already done that. Here's a folder named Moodle. We're going to go to the class in iLearn and run a backup on the class where you want to get the documents. So I've chosen a class, CST 227.01 Fall 13. I've run a backup. So once I've run the backup, then I go to the folder where it says restore. So course administrations, restore. Now here we are. So what we do now is we download this MBZ file. So we hit download, goes to our download folders. Here's our MBZ files. What we do is we drag those over to our Moodle file, over to our Moodle folder on our desktop. Now we're going to change the MBZ file to a zip folder. Open it up. So here's our MBZ file. To change it to a zip, all you have to do is right click it, get the information, scroll over, and change MBZ to zip. Close it. It'll change it as a zip file. Now what you do is you double click the zip file and it opens up the folder. So now we have the unzipped folder. Now the thing is, we don't have the documents from iLearn. What they are is they're listed here as weird names. But we want what they were called in iLearn. So that's what the MBZ script does. So now you have to open a terminal and run the Python program. So what we do is we open up a terminal. We have to see where we are. All right, we're going to change directories into the desktop. We're going to change directories into the Moodle folder. Now let's see what's inside the Moodle folder. As you can see, we have the script, the MBZ script.py. We have the MBZ folder and the zip. You can get rid of these now if you want to. This is the folder that we're interested in. So now we're going to run the Python script. What it does, when I run this Python script, it opens up a select a directory. Choose the desktop, choose Moodle. I choose the unzipped folder and I say choose. What it does, it's going through the unzipped folder, it's getting all the documents, and what it's doing, it's renaming them to the correct name that they are in the iLearn class. When it gets done, I'll show you that it made a folder called unzipped in the folder that we chose, and we now have the correct name of the documents. So now we open up back. There's the folder it made called unzipped, and there are the names of the documents that we want that were in iLearn. So now you can find the information and you can save this unzipped folder. And that is how we use the MBZ script on the Python